Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cooking with me video, and to start us off, we are going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Heat up some olive oil in a pan and place in our chicken sausage. Today I wanted to share with you guys this really super easy and healthy recipe. It is going to be chicken sausage and mixed veggies. It tastes absolutely amazing, and I've been making it for my family for the past maybe 2 weeks or so, and we absolutely love it. So starting off, we are basically just going to brown the sausages on both sides. While the chicken is browning, I am going to cut up some pre-washed vegetables. I have some broccoli, a red pepper, green pepper, some carrots, as well as a zucchini. I am really trying to drop this baby weight, so I'm trying to cook as much as I possibly can, because really that is the key to eating healthy, is to cook your own meals, because this is the only way that you can ensure what is actually going into your food. I then flip the chicken sausages onto the other side so that they can brown, and back to cutting up the vegetables. I'm always trying to come up with different recipes to make, because I am not one of those people who can eat the same thing over and over again. Are you guys the same way? What are some of your favorite recipes that you guys like to make? Now that the chicken has browned on both sides, I'm just going to quickly cut these up and place them in a separate bowl. Of course, you can use real sausages, or you can even make this with chicken, but because I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy, I decided to go with some chicken sausage. Now that we have all of the vegetables cut up, I pour in some olive oil and just a bunch of different seasonings. Guys, I actually enjoy cooking, so I really never follow the actual recipe. I just use whatever type of seasonings I like. Some of my favorite seasonings are going to be pepper, some garlic powder. I even like garlic salt. I love cumin, and really anything that's going to add a lot of flavor to the food. That's what I find is the key to making healthy but tasty foods, is to really make the food flavorful. I lined a cookie sheet with some foil and then added all of the vegetables on top, and then I also sprinkled around the chicken sausage as well. Then adding in a little bit more seasoning, because of course you can never have too much seasoning to your food. Who wants to eat bland food? By now the oven has already preheated to 400 degrees, and we are going to pop this bad boy into the oven for maybe about 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to take it out and just flip everything just to make sure that it evenly cooks, and pop it back into the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once everything is done, I add a little bit of brown rice into the bowl, but of course you can also have this plain as well. And then I top it off with the chicken sausage and the vegetables. Guys, this tastes absolutely amazing, and it's a really healthy dinner recipe that you can share and make with your family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cooking with me video and really just gave you some healthy dinner recipe ideas that you can share with your family. If you have any video requests, please leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!